Hey y'all, let me show you how I made this. I took this big transfer, it's 18 by 24, and some 18 by 24 watercolor paper. I took the backing off, added some fuzz because these transfers are sticky and reusable. And y'all, this is so easy, anybody can do it. So I position the transfer on the watercolor paper, press it down well. You want to press it down well so you don't have any bleeding. Now I am using this beautiful shade of gray chalk paste, and y'all, I'm almost finished. Can you believe it? This is so easy. And I love these wall hangings. I have seen them everywhere on everything from paper to canvas to fabric. So, my mind's just going crazy on how many different surfaces I can put this on. I am in love with it. It's new and it's fun. It's big, like I like to say, large and in charge. Y'all, look at this reveal. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I just took some lattice, get it at Lowe's or Home Depot, stained it. I cut it to fit. Both of these pieces are 18 inches. I added some string and hung it. If you want the supply list, just comment farms.